So the pride method is the how you build your boldness muscle. Preparation, so it's an acronym. Preparation, relaxing, insight, dosage, which I mentioned already, and everyday action. So you're going to build your boldness muscle every day. Because that's how you get better. The things that you get to every day in one form or other, whether it's your marriage or your job or whatever, where you're deliberately trying to get better on a daily basis or eat better or exercise more. What you get to every day aggregates. What you think you might get to disintegrates. Because it's a heck of a lot easier to not get to stuff than it is to get to stuff. But if you say, I'm going to do it every day, then you're going to do it you don't have to figure out whether you're going to do it or not. You say, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to smile at 5 people every day, or I'm going to say hi to 5 people every day, or I'm going to compliment a stranger every day. And if I haven't done it before I go to bed, then I got to get up and I got to go, walk into a grocery store and pay somebody a compliment so I can come back and go to bed. But so that I emphasize everyday action.
If this culture clip helped you, hit that like button below and we'll see you in the next clip.